Try as you may, you might find it difficult to keep embarrassing odors from escaping your facility's lift station or sump pump and wafting throughout the building. Keep watching this video for a few solutions. State Chemical has been providing chemical solutions for businesses in different industries for over 100 years. Today, I'll talk about the odors that emerge from lift stations and sump pumps and how you can fix them with floating chemical fragrances or degreasers. Let's jump right in with Blanket 510 Wintergreen. Blanket 510 is a wintergreen scented floating air freshener that is incredibly easy to apply. Simply pour it on the surface of your lift station and the smells will be trapped inside. This wintergreen scent is especially powerful against waste odors, so it might be best for pit toilets, porta potties, hospitals, high-rise apartments, or other buildings with strong odor problems. It's not the top choice as a degreaser, but it's economical and long-lasting to cap off those odors and save you and your staff's time for more important things. Cherry Float. If you are struggling with not only odors, but also the buildup of fats, oils, and greases, and you love the smell of cherry, the best solution for you might be Cherry Float. Cherry Float is a safe, biodegradable drain maintainer that will float on the surface of your lift station and trap foul odors below. It will protect the rest of your facility from odors while leaving behind its pleasant cherry fragrance. Take out grease and cap off odors at once with Cherry Float. Orange Buoy. For lift stations that struggle with both odors and buildup of fats and greases, the best fit may be Orange Buoy. With lots of orange oil, Orange Buoy might be more expensive than other options, but it's sure to keep odors sealed tightly underneath it, while working to emulsify the buildup on the walls. Orange Buoy emits a pleasant orange fragrance to keep malodors within and keep your lift station from stinking up the rest of the building. If Orange Buoy is a bit too expensive to be a good fit for your lift station, but you need a solution for odors and grease, check out Orange Buoy Select, a lower percentage of orange oil for a lower cost. Why should I worry about wastewater odors? First impressions matter, and we help you make the best possible first impression on visitors to your facility. Some smells can lessen anxiety or discomfort, while foul odors like trash, smoke, or wastewater in a lift station can provoke negative responses. With businesses like apartment buildings, appearance is everything, and State Chemical helps ensure your facility will stand out from the rest. With State, you're receiving top-of-the-line, cost-effective air, drain, or wastewater treatment that will noticeably upgrade the atmosphere of your business. In addition, when you're on an agreement, we cover any installation costs, restock your inventory if you purchase more product, perform maintenance, and provide a report on what we've done for you every single month. Now that you know how State Chemical gets rid of odors in lift stations, check out the Learning Center on our website for tips on keeping your facility clean and well maintained.